welcome back to Edu Skills, OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and share this video to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. All these services at Edu Skills are free of cost. Okay, keep smiling.
And today we are looking into beautiful reading part C. Okay, shall we begin?
Yes. Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.
Thing. The third paragraph speaks about ADHD and other conditions. This is the third paragraph. Non-specific nature of symptoms of ADHD. Same thing. Is opinion assessment. Is the criteria is opinion. They are assessing whether you can understand opinion. See, again, I said children and adults. Children repeated. But it could also prove the non-specific nature of the symptoms of ADHD. Anxiety and depression or an altered state can easily be mistaken for manifestations of ADHD. So you can just read like this. It could also prove the non-specific nature of the symptoms of ADHD, which can easily be mistaken for manifestations of ADHD. So modal verb is being used, whether you understand modal verbs. So non-specific nature of symptoms of ADHD. It's not very specific in children or in adults. That's what the whole paragraph speaks about. See, again, next.
The writer regards the study of children in foster care as significant because it highlights the difficulty of distinguishing ADHD from other conditions, focuses on children known to have complex mental disorders, suggests a link between ADHD and child's upbringing, draws attention to the poor care given to such children.
Yeah, so definitely from this keyword, because they are looking for a reason. So you have to give a reason. The writer regards the study of children in foster care as significant because it highlights the difficulty of distinguishing ADHD from other conditions. So why is giving? We'll look into the text. See, a recent study found children in foster care homes 3 times more likely than others to be diagnosed with ADHD. Researchers also found that children with ADHD in foster care were more likely to have another disorder, such as depression or anxiety. This finding certainly reveals the need for medical and behavioral services for these children, but it could also prove the non-specific nature of the symptoms of ADHD, which those are like anxiety and depression or an altered state, can easily be mistaken for manifestation of ADHD. See, the writer regards the study of children in foster care as significant because why the study of children in foster care is very important because highlights the difficulty of distinguish ADHD from other conditions. You can see here how it is difficult to distinguish between other conditions like anxiety and depression or an altered state. There's a lot of confusion. So this linking sentence clearly speaks about this. Focuses on children known to have complex mental disorders. They don't say the children at foster care have complex mental disorders. Nothing is mentioned in the paragraph. Suggests a link between ADHD and children's upbringing. It doesn't speak anything about children's upbringing. Draws attention to the poor care given to such children. They don't speak anything about the care given to the children. So it's very clearly given. The other 3 options are irrelevant to the paragraph.